When I get better at Flair whips, I'll definitely make a tutorial of them, because I don't want you guys or anybody to have that problems as I had with that trick, because it was such a pain in the ass.
Alright guys, it's time. Almost 3 years later. I feel like I finally have the confidence to make this out too. So today I'm gonna teach you guys how to do Flair whip on a scooter. Alright, it was really windy outside this day, so I decided to just make a voiceover instead. But it should be fine. Alright, so prerequisites for this trick would be consistent flares and good experience with whips, I guess, because yeah, you really need to have a good technique for your whips for this trick in order to get it to work. Alright, so let's get into the first step. Right as I leave the quarter pipe to do the Flair whip, the first thing I do is to try to get control of the flare so I don't go too far to the left or to the right. Step 2. After getting control of the flare, I immediately start flicking the whip and start pulling the scooter into my feet as hard as I can to be able to catch the whip as early as possible. The whip should be really fast as you possibly can. Step 3. After you catch the whip, you just need to keep holding the balance until you land, so just commit 100% and hopefully you'll get it. Then just land and roll away. This trick doesn't happen overnight for most people, so patience is real important and commitment as well. It took me about 7 months to learn this trick, but the problem that I had was that I didn't know how to commit to this trick. I just could not catch the whip for some reason. I mean, you could learn Flair late whips, as I did at first, but they're just not as consistent as Flair whip catches. And honestly, it just feels a lot better to catch them in my opinion. And it also looks better in my opinion as well. There's not much more to say about this trick, I guess, but the commitment is so important for this trick. I wouldn't have gotten it if I didn't learn how to commit to this trick. There's no way. Alright, that's pretty much the tips I got for this trick. If you have any questions about this trick, just feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Because if you're really trying to learn this trick as hard as I did, I do not want you to have the same problems as I had to go through in order to learn this trick. I promise you that sucked. So please ask me anything if you get stuck in the learning process of this trick, because I would love to help you out. And I hope you learn it. Good luck.
Này